Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new. We are going to be doing a Sunday refresh, or some call it a Sunday reset. Basically, it is the beginning of the week motivation. It's doing all the things that we need to do to make sure that we have a wonderful week ahead. So I am so looking forward to today's video. I hope you are ready for some serious cleaning motivation. So we are going to start off in my bedroom, and I like to open up the blinds right off the bat. Having the sunlight come in here, I just feel like it makes the room feel lively and wonderful, and it just puts me in the mood to clean. I have noticed that just having the blinds open makes such a huge difference. So I want to encourage you, if you're kind of struggling with trying to get ready and motivated to clean, make yourself some coffee, have tea, put a good playlist on, and add some light into the room. Turn your lamps on, open the windows. It makes all the difference. And then start with one of your gateway chores. That is either the kitchen or the bedroom or whatever works for you. Mine is one of those two things, and it just sets the tone and just gets the momentum going, and we are cleaning for hours and hours. Before we get too far into the video, I want to thank June's Journey for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So if you're not familiar with June's Journey, it is a hidden object mystery game. It has a detective storyline that will take you back to the glamour of the 1920s with a diverse cast of characters. Each new scene takes you further throughout the thrilling murder mystery story that sets in, and you get to solve the clues. I have included some clips on the screen, so check it out. It is so much fun. I have enjoyed doing this in my free time, and even when I'm trying to take some time away just for myself, it has been so fun to play. I have gotten into this game and I have played so much. You can even include your friends. It has been just so much fun, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I think you would really enjoy it as well. You can download June's Journey for free by clicking the link below in my description box. June's Journey is available for Android and iOS mobile devices as well as PC through Facebook Games. Check it out. You're going to love it. Let me know. Maybe we can find each other on there and play. This has been so much fun, and I know you're going to enjoy it too. Taking a quick moment and saying thank you for watching that 60-second little clip, that sponsored clip. I know that's not always fun to do, but I just want to say thank you for those who just go through it and watch it. There's never any obligation to buy anything or to do anything that you're not comfortable with. I'm just sharing things that I enjoy. Maybe you'll enjoy them as well. I'm actually very picky about the things that I put on my channel, so I've really got to think it has some value. And if it brings value to me, I'm assuming it'll bring value to you. But never feel obligated by any means to do anything that you don't want to do. So, but I just want to also say thank you for watching that quick clip. It just means a lot to me. It's a blessing to my family. These sponsored videos the money goes straight into the mouth of my children. I don't want to even allude to that. We all know that influencers do sponsored videos. So I just want to say thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it so very much. Hazel's little furry butt is so cute, and I'm going to show you a clip of this vacuum because I could not believe how much the vacuum got up of her fur. She is shedding her undercoat. It's getting a little bit warmer here in Florida, and so her undercoat is, I guess you would say, blowing out. So she is a Cavachon, if you ask, and she is part Bichon and part Cavalier. She is supposed to be hypoallergenic, quote unquote. She's definitely not, in my opinion. It's supposed to be non-shedding, but she picked up the majority of the genes from her daddy, so she is blowing that coat out. So I'm really thankful to have this little vacuum here because it is easy just to pick it up and go. It's super handy and accessible, and the amount of fur in this hair is unreal right now. I am spraying this Indust electronic cleaner, and I will say I do not like it. I actually came back after this clip and used my sprayway. I don't know if sprayway's safe on here, but there were so many smears from the end dust. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong, but I don't love it. So I had to go back and do it with some glass cleaner. And then I am wiping the top of the dresser off with this microfiber cloth. It's just a wet cloth. I do have these linked in my Amazon if you are interested. They are small, but I like them. I like them a lot, and they're really affordable. So if they get really gross, I don't feel bad with just throwing them away. And then I'm going to keep on going over my nightstands and getting any of the dust off of here. Obviously, Sundays is the best day for me to get in here and do this type of cleaning. That's the dusting and, baseboards and under the beds and dressers and all the things like that. So let me know if you guys do a beginning of the week cleaning. It is so essential for us. I feel like it gets us ready for our week, especially when we have kids. I want to get their lunches packed. I want to get the refrigerator cleaned out, all the things. So let me know if you guys have some sort of Sunday motivation that you guys follow through or follow to or follow, maybe just follow, and let me know, are there any creators on here that create really good Sunday motivation? Let me tell you my favorite right off the bat: Tiffany Beeston and Lindsay Life and Style. Those are my favorite, and they always post Sunday videos. So if you are looking for some really amazing creators, those two girls I can't speak enough good things about. This is just so typical, sick of love. We're never sick enough to run from what feels wrong. Sick of love, but not enough to stop. Can't stop, can't stop, stop. Oh. Laundry is definitely ongoing in my house. I'm getting better and better at it. I'm getting more consistent with my cleaning routine. So I'm going to tackle this right now, but I wanted to show you how I fold my pajamas. Now, this might seem kind of silly to share, but I want to show you because I feel like it makes things really easy when I'm putting stuff in my drawer. I fold my pajamas into each other because there's usually a set. So I will have the larger set, usually the pants, put the shirt in there, and then roll it all together. And I will do this a couple more times in case you want to see it and see how I do it, but I do it for Emma's clothes as well. And it really helps when you have sets. Everything is right there and folded in together, and it makes it easy to find. So I do have a couple of questions I want to ask you guys, and I hope to make it worth your while as I show you the 3 more loads of laundry that have to get taken care of. I did want to ask you if you could take a chance, just a moment, and answer a few questions for me, because I just want to know where you guys are coming from, and I want to know a little bit more about you so I can cater my content to you. So as I had mentioned earlier, there are the creators that post the Sunday videos that are some of my favorites, but I have so many that I just genuinely love so much. So let me know in the comments below, genuinely, who is your favorite creator and why are they? And don't say my name. I want to know somebody else that you watch religiously without fail, and then tell me why. And so example, we'll say Tiffany. Say, I watch Tiffany because she gives me great motivation, or, I like her music, or I watch, Amanda, This Crazy Life, because she, does home makeovers. I don't know, but I want you to give me your favorite. 3 questions here. What is your favorite channel to watch and why? So what and why? And then I also want to know why you are here on my channel. So if you could answer those 2, and then why you are here. What is it about my channel that brings you back? What made you follow? Was it my decor? Was it my cleaning? Was it my organizing? What was it, and what keeps you here? And I need to know these because I want to cater my content to you this year. So if you're like, if I see the vast majority of people saying, I'm here for your cleaning, then I know to produce more cleaning content. But if I see the majority of people saying, I'm here for your organizing, or I'm here for your decorating, then I know to make sure to include those types of things. And you could say, I continue to stay because I like your music. I continue to stay because you're real. It doesn't matter. There's no right or wrong answer. And I am going to be choosing four comments that answer those questions for $25 PayPal cash. So if you could do that for me, that would mean the world to me, because again, I want to cater my content for you. And I want this year to be a really big year for us all. And I want to grow my community here. I want to be able to meet you guys where you're at and to make sure that you're getting the content that you came for and that you want to continue to get. Because I love you guys and I have been so blessed to be here week after week, but I want to make sure I am continuing to deliver what you're looking for, and that's really important to me. So, and then just for giggles, if you want to go ahead and like this video, that means the world to me. It genuinely helps out my channel. And if you're new here, I'd love for you to consider subscribing. And if you're not subscribed yet and you answer those questions, you are included in that giveaway, but make sure you hit that subscribe button first. I love all of the fancy gadgets, but at the end of the day, let me tell you, nothing beats elbow grease and a good old broom and mop. And so this broom is amazing. We got it from Home Depot, and I have actually really enjoyed using it. So after I am done in here, it is later on in the day. My day just completely escaped me. When I have a toddler and so many kids running around, it is not always easy to stay on task. I struggle with that anyway, but add like all my distractions, it is a miracle if I can stay on task. And just being a mom, you know, it is hard to like start one thing and finish it right away. That's my goal in the new year. Let me know what y'all's goal is in the new year. But I am tackling some of the toys over here. I am noticing it is just getting really full of some odds and ends. So this is a little IKEA ottoman. That is a storage ottoman that I got on Facebook Marketplace. And I am just cleaning it out. I'm using this little Amazon handheld vacuum. It's fine. It's good. It does the job. I think it was $20. And then I'm going to add her organized little bins in here to make it easy for her to grab the things that she's looking for.
All these years
This is where the kids get their backpacks, and when I filmed this last Sunday, this was actually the Sunday the Sunday before they were going back to school from their winter break. They had 3 weeks off, and I wanted to make sure this was totally clean and cleaned out for them when they woke up one Monday morning. Their shoes were sitting there and their backpacks were ready to go. Nobody had a clue, sneaking out past curfew. So I'm just going to continue to clean off any little bit on the counter, and like I had mentioned, the day escaped me and there were a lot of things that I did today that unfortunately I did not film. I started to get really discouraged about the time and my distractions. I get kind of in my head at times, and I was like, oh my gosh, I just felt bad about myself, which was so silly even saying it out loud, but I did. But there were some things that I did in the kitchen, like clean the kitchen. I cleaned out the pantry a little bit. We had some groceries come in and I just tackled it. This entire floor was full, and I'm sorry there's no clips, but sometimes I just have to get in there with no camera and tackle it. It's not perfect by any means, but it's tidy. So I'll take it. Tidy over perfection. We will take it. And so I just had to refill and restock a little bit. I did the same thing in the refrigerator, added some juices for the kids' lunches. So I wasn't able to get that on footage or on video because I felt like the day was escaping me. So I was getting kind of down on myself, and I said, no, you've done it. You've done a good job. You're going to keep pushing forward. And I hope that you know how much I appreciate you and how thankful I am for you. And I hope you know how worthy and loved you are. Don't ever forget that. And when you are here, you are family. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.